Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the 3 amber and 1 white light flashing on your Dell computer in 2026. Now, first of all, before replacing anything or before hopping on to the fixes, let's identify the problem. So on many of the modern Dell laptops and the desktops, the 3 amber and 1 white usually indicates the RTC or real-time clock battery failure. Sometimes it is due to CMOS battery issue or a problem with the motherboard's power management circuit. So this is one of the Dell's most common startup diagnostic codes. Now, in order to fix it, first of all, what you can do is you can just simply perform a hard reset. So in order to do it, you just have to simply disconnect the charger and any kind of external devices. If the battery is removable, simply remove it as well. Then you just have to simply press and hold the power button on top of your computer or laptop, and you need to hold it for at least 30 seconds to discharge any residual power from the motherboard. Afterwards, simply reconnect the power and then try starting the computer again. Now, even after the hard reset, if the flashing code remains, you can also inspect the CMOS or the RTC battery. So on many of the Dell systems, this is a small coin cell battery which is connected directly to the motherboard. So a weak RTC battery can prevent the system from completing the startup, and then it can trigger this particular error. So you can also reset the RTC battery connection. So simply disconnect the RTC battery from the motherboard for about 1 minute and then reconnect it securely. So this can also reset the RTC related faults without requiring a replacement battery. So you can try these easy fixes and see if the lights are not basically showing up. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.